Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an excellent day wherever you are. We are outside today with the Kyosho Trail King Blizzard 2.0 series. I did an unboxing of this in the middle of summer. Everything seemed to go fairly good. Took it out again for another run. Ended up blowing both the motors in it. For the size of the machine, they should have put a little bit bigger motors in it, I believe. I believe they're only a little 370 motor, so not overly big for the size of the machine, but there is two of them, one for each track. So I ended up having a couple extra motors kicking around. So I did get them finally put in and get it all set up. So we'll take a quick look at that. And I'll show you, and then as normal, I'll throw a few pictures and a couple videos of it driving around in the snow. So there you are, there are the two new motors, and there is one of the old motors. So a little bit of a size difference, they just barely fit in there, but they do fit, and everything seems to work fine. So if you haven't, please subscribe, like, smash the bell, and thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.